Ejabusia Honorable Sam Zata George, Minister for Information and Communication. With the media, no so almost come out and no. Concerning the arrest of Abu Trica, no, or that Sam George ever make post to be as a grant interview be. Na next one can no. And our community was never clash pa. And so we catching the both NDC TikTokers and other Ghanaians no. And so we catch Sam George no. Enye easy. Me mo nchiri mu no akere wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Me so say any DM. Obe like video no da ma boy subscribe button na ba click notification and connect with latest update na ba kere wadwen de ama me. E wo comment section so ba so a. No a for so enya bi ahwe. It was on Thursday, 11th December 2025. And the bad news say ya betch Abu Trica I say FBI. E the freeway say buy. That post you know. A USA Department of Justice from the Office of Attorney General in North Ohio. And making that post and my Ghana media outlet will be as a capture on so a give out news article concerning that issue. At the chain 12, Anna Iyoku for a publication by SA no credit. So Omuk Ekahubi Edonkoche Abu Trica na it is being confirmed as Abu Trica ya channel for engaging in romance scam. You know, that's over 205 now. Ya check Ghana for ne pa. Because make I did a Joe $100 million romance scam. Ya bet channel. You know, Chateau the Godfather. Dada Boots, you ever chain? Coffee Boots, Chateau the Godfather, so you ever chain? $100 million romance scam, you ever chain? Obeka is what? For this same romance scam, you chain ya for it. Ya chain. Anna Abu Trica is so, ya chain. Not just say, how the rate at which is a check Ghana for romance scam. No, I know, ya, you know, say, youth no issue, what I say, youth no, very careful. Also you to know HA. But I don't have some like you betcha Abu Trica Edelcoy last week, Thursday. Now, after that, you make that publication. Anna Sam Jata Georgia or your Minister for Information Communication also make post our Twitter. Anna Sam George a better semu. Our children say, congratulations once again to the dedicated team at the Cyber Security Authority Ghana, led by the Director General, Divan Selassie Agbeti, and the law enforcement unit for another surgical strike at the heart of cyber fraud. Yet, another successful operation was carried out yesterday in collaboration with our sister agencies, CID, NIB, NACOC, as part of our commitment to enhancing Ghana's international image. The message is loud and clear. We will come after you, so long as you engage in cyber-based crime, either against Ghanaians or any other person, for God and country. Sam George make this publication, on Twitter, and as currently X. And I also send a word of caution to OBI, Omuguso, engaging in cyber crime. I said, Yenya so mu, ye so mua, obey them. And what she and also added this particular video, a tattoo.
You realize that just yesterday, one of my agencies, the Cybersecurity Authority, picked up an individual who is supposed to be successful. There's no peace with that kind of success. And there are 3 more we're picking up in the next few days because we're cracking down on cybercrime. And so cybercrime does not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, your houses away from you. But what you know and what you've learned cannot be taken away from you. And so education is the priceless gift that a child can get from their parents. And so I urge all the young kids to take their education serious. I am living proof that education pays. You understand me? And so our teachers, like I pointed out to them, I urge them to be patient with the kids. Today's children live in a difficult world. The distractions of the internet and technology is enough to take them away from the classroom. And so we need to give them, we have to be patient enough to give the children the impetus to stay in the classroom.
Finally, let me add this. As Sam George say, Abu Trica. I must have to say there are 3 other people be almost on the line. Ehwemu ekoso as ehwemu sia almost no. Je beba ya pick you. Na say mo na killers as at ebo body ni. Na efa video na Sam George ebeye no. E no na comedian say we say TikTok say ehwe ne ha. Same mun create nyu bia ma mabunu no. Na so man ka say atena se. Nyamia mo mu nyansa no matena se sha adwene sha format. Eddie make life successful to themselves. Oh boy, I'm ya chichiwo mu. Eni esomo e de ebe iwo. Omo be dis Sam George juma. Papa. E wo media na so.
Omaya yetim. NDC for mobile power. Moshe yobose. It's all mama, maybe my 24 hours economy. She say almost 1 year, no 24 hours economy. Sam George, 2028, you better get ready for me. Abu Trica, no, me actually no. I will make sure say you pay. I will make sure say make a campaign against you. I will make sure so you remember the day I will make a boys no. Not because of anything no. It's because of say, oh yeah, when you bring four, Sam George when you brady, when you bring boys no. Omo nwi aga na sika no mo de yi o. Say o say o yire na hwe o me boa. Omo nwi aga na sika o. The same thing and amrofo ye ya omo de ye. Into what difference does it make? I didn't know amrofo we you go the team by nema e de ye omo krom ye. Hwe boy see ejapade o ma ye wo Ghana. Enye wo ma en kaminim say Ghana ye wo $5 million home. E wo Ghana. Ade na what is what do when you see boys no so on say my first video make I say and penyefo bi shechi na me ni sika me de betwe manso. It is a Sam George and Ede no aba. Or say catch you say there's 3 more people out there and then Sam George only Ghana youth any year. Me pay want to say ka face the country ye be defend ye be Abu Trica lawyer so that we contest the law. E ye ni bre NDC for money bre no. Money bre boys no me boa mo tina o memu bo man no kro no ade na mo nya opportunity a mo so mo use the same you know emfa nwa amorofo no na mo de wi Ghana man o mo ne mo na ye wudi for Sam George we ye ni bre for 2028 I will make sure say on pesua so mo nto abama wo de dey me o yo mambo for pa o ka tie nye fibi
sanitary material. Thanks to President Muhammad, that should come to an end with the free sanitary pad now policy that we have. There are boys who are being lured with cyber fraud. There's some being lured away from classroom with galamsey. So there are all kinds of distractions. But look, to the young kids in Ngo Pram, there's only one sure way to a successful and peaceful life. The success that doesn't come with peace. You realize that just yesterday, one of my agencies, the Cybersecurity Authority, picked up an individual who is supposed to be successful. There's no peace with that kind of success. And there are 3 more we're picking up in the next few days because we're cracking down on cybercrime. And so cybercrime does not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, your houses away from you. But what you know and what you've learned cannot be taken away from you. And so education is the priceless gift that a child can get from their parents. And so I urge all the young kids to take their education.
One thing I hate about this man particularly, Nadia Mimpe, he said, Okasa too much. Sam George, you talk too much, Mr. Minister. Say government, our planning be so bad bia. Don't come out and say it before. You are communication minister. Know how to communicate. And as I say, national security, eyimu. And the question Babe kase very soon Babe binumo. May I agree with you that these fraud guys is getting too much and nkorani wu nisa nyamanu na ye kunkorano beniha. Mabai, you see, Muti say, the president is against. But Mr. African president, say school, a school, one thing nobody can take it away from you. Yes, we know. Have you created job? What created job? What created job be for the youth? No created job. Muka who be the young guys in caught to galamsey and those fraud because you are not creating any job for the youth. Mumba kasa branding kasa sa uba within 1 year. Tell me job will be a creative. Bakunu suba 8 years want me job will send or creative. 32 good years of MPP and this Muka job unemployment issue bena mutimi a solve. And you guys are using the youth for nonsense things. And today, you guys are against the youth and talking about saying they should go and work, they should go and work. Where is the work? And you guys are talking about. You just tell us, where's the work today? Schooler. There's no job for you as a youth. You become useless as a youth. How can you build a country like that? I would say you to need call for Galam, saying that you to need call for we. I agree. We need to stop these people because these scammers boys, you know, they are getting worse of. I say nyama omu ye nyama bia ebroso ye kum kora. Na mu politician cyber crime mu dey by cyber crime no. Ebe ko mamu because most of you also mu dani successful man aba ye hu nyama ejuma papa bia maye mu be nya posa within 4-8 years no na ma ye say tam why ne cyber crime no betimi ahwehwe mu nyama mu declare mu asset a say ye hu declaration of assets na mu ye no japade say na ye wona mu kana public ni hu nti wu free aban mu a na ye hu say wa wi ade nti cyber crime we ebi beko amamu mu politicians no because we know a lot of you politicians are you guys are nobody before mumba power mumba free power no mu danis kani bebrena airport hill any east legoni cantonment na ma to dan aba first no mpo no na mu ni hwe de mu de kroni kono man ko yesen na eba for youth me I like this say yen tiche omo amu yes afro do no yen tiche omo because you to yes ka onye duma bia no top pressure ma ebi no mo but then come amusu politicians no because mu nye duma bia sa in 4 years na ma don successful. What is that?
Honorable Sam George unsem bia okeka no sebi ento asumu enya nko na oye ndc ni o yama opposition no nkyere se wo ye ndc ni sin obia wate ye de ndc ba power se omra no mbehwe oman ni suye omodi oman ni sika no ombra no omba arrest no omgigi sika no na omfanhwe oman ni mfama ye amanfo awia abode just 1 year ni ye jeli nipa more than 1000 kenofurata afa oman ni sika amanfo wa mpp ni omodi oman ni sika muntimi nchi obia muntimi njeli obia na obia frodo obi wa abrochira sabi ono na ese mukotata na muche no yamfa ndc amase omunkro enomukotata yutu emeka nsem bi na yutu ni bu mfu se ne ase de ndc bae no omutata youth Sam George hwe ukasa ye na nya nkwa na ya ndc ni Abu Trica onya obone akwala ne nya obone bi na waye baabi oye ne bone no obenya ho aketua wo ho Sam
yeah, African waivers ni na me pese me chairman adwen Abu Trica ni arrest no. First of all, fraud na yet say what fraud on the anya ho some na beka but me can arrest na ya arrest no. I don't get it. I think they are Ghanaians and I'm kwache no. First of all, unipa na kwache no. Order na ya order say kona kwache so much say bra. You don't have the right to we be say Juma Ben now here. All of what the boy in kind was say my lawyer na say on any kasa. The guy is very smart. My own man for brave video no with Jimmy and Juma you want me nka any other Charlie. Quote on some yenka what happened no. I am running eka. So I say, let's go and coach you be bra. Fena could be something in Pana, Juma Ben now here. Nipa with maybe sand admire is the only court in which maybe sans Edmund Benoye. What means should be maybe sans Edmund Benoye? Come on. And I boy no crowd. I think say me lawyer for you go promise me you saga no. O kwachina o could be sans Edmund Benoye. Oh yeah court. Fine, yen fa chairman to me sir other MP before na so my first guy yeah chomo so just here kind of radio so you say allege and that be na yakwa chomo sir CID say na say police for na yakwa chomo you be so mo say Mumunya ska I fancy Ghana as and my sense. I won't cancer asem because we ya orders a corner of any pambra. What could do business in the pan said my ben or your courts? Huh? Fine. Yeah, rather can't for no asem later. My paper near come was.
New update about Abu Trica. Abu Trica, Sam George, Emma Yakako Chino. Ye chino no ye fa ne mame, and no more chine yere. More can say, or machino, and now see one cassage and a lawyer. Yes, he has a right. Abu Trica when you Jimmy knew when you nyansampa and need a ho. Under Ghana Constitution, even under the law, crown, so we bibi, na ye befawa, you have every right to say you demand for a lawyer and san wakasa. Because anything you say will be used against you. Remember, they are recording it and everything. Imagine say Abu Trica can be beer. And that would have been used against him. Meboa. Na I mean to some George as say where you thing home. And some phone and some George Woodino. Some George and some phone and a Woodino. And to all person say one day, you're not going to be in power forever. Because 2028, you guys are going on opposition because we don't want any PP and NDC. And some George, people person say, walk opposition. Na say, Bibia to Chimane do Kojina Sendibia, near Befa Yere, near Fawo Mamia, how would you feel? I didn't know ya debi or moon dream, say Monso said 2 more, how would you feel? Ne mame on him computer, Abu Trica mammy, didn't crow any mucho. Ne yere tele baby, a sit then your coffee woman. Well, good news is, face the country, your lawyer, Oliver, any lawyers in your carbon, Ame, Abu Trica, a mammy, and any baby mama, Effie prison. A dear torment no. Ah, a dear torment no. And ya some na yanka, Abu Trica wabogana chrono. Yeka Ghana cronfo, Abu Trica or can be. A cronfo ne go way, can for your tanum, politicians ne go way. Ah, what's some prosecute you or mono? Now when you me end this for you guys are beginning to piss me off. Now I'm waiting patiently. When be me penny crow financing my campaign if I dare find out. Say and confirm win a financing my campaign in exchange of some of my yatete Ghana mebunudia you have asked to contempt with. Some judge, Jan some phone I would do.
This is the first time my mom will say Chini Jonas has supported some BBT say Abu Trica case, you know. Charlie, or say when you have a train on cost 7 in jail time, no. You know sentencing about jail time be the money beyond the on cost 7 on bra. About maybe be newman. Na boys in your binye. Yet yes, it's candy or now Abu Trica time on yan 8 million fraud way crown. Now o show off for snap there be a show 500,000 like cash o show or like auto pressure kwasia pressure sa na ko for we nyina ba and I know the rap be a meeting or see yejisika and Abu Trica to pressure ma ban like Jimmy rap be man. Listen, search on the search bar for Chini Jonas on Abu Trica. Chini Jonas on Abu Trica. Charlie or can say be ba negative ba kukure ni more supportive boy no or supportive boy no Charlie.
To the wild your mommy, ever comment section. Hi, Penyah Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!